Displacement is a vector quantity. Now let's see how we can measure the distance. Now let's understand with few more example the difference between the distance and displacement. Suppose you are from your house, you sit in a van, you go and reach the school. Now what happened? आपके वैन वाले का पेट्रोल ख़त्म हो गया. अब आज वो आपको स्कूल से पिकअप करता है वैन वाला और वो पेट्रोल पंप पर लेकर जाता है. वहाँ पेट्रोल भरता है और फिर वापस वो आपके घर पर छोड़ता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द पाथ फॉलोड बाय यू. फर्स्ट यू स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम योर हाउस टू स्कूल एंड देन while returning home, जब आप घर आ रहे थे तो you have followed this path. Okay, this is the point D, petrol pump. So now find out how much you have traveled. What is the total distance? Recall what I have explained you, the length of the path. So what is the length of the path in this case? First A to B, we'll see the direction, then B to C, then C to D, and then D to again A. So the total distance will be 4 kilometer plus 3 kilometer plus 4 kilometer plus 3 kilometer. So the total will be, it is 14 kilometer. So the distance is 14 kilometer. Now what about the displacement? What about the displacement? Now your initial position is A during the whole journey. Now the final position is going to be changed. Again you come back to your house. So finally you reach here. Initial position and final position is same. And what is the definition of displacement? It is the shortest or as per the definition, minimum distance between initial and final position. Initial and final position. In this, initial position is A and final position is also A. So what is the minimum distance between these two? It is 0. So the displacement in this case is 0. Understood? Distance is 14 kilometer but displacement is 0.
See one more example. If an object moves along a circular path, suppose an object starts from point A. After some time, it reaches the point A again. So in this case, the minimum distance between the initial point A and the final point A is 0 because the points are same. Hence, the displacement of an object is equals to 0. Now let's see how the displacement is measured as per the direction of a moving object.
You have traveled first from your house to school. How much distance? The distance is will be 4 plus 3, 7 kilometer. Whereas displacement is, shortest distance is 5 kilometer. Now in the second case, from school you are coming back to your house. In that case, what is the distance? Three plus 4, 7 kilometer. And what is the displacement? Say 5 kilometer. But in both the cases, observe it carefully. First, your direction is different from house to school, and then you are coming back. In second case, from school you are coming back to your house. In both the cases, the direction is completely opposite. First from house to school, and in second case from school to house. But in displacement, the number is same. 5 kilometer, 5 kilometer. Every time, हर बार house to school, school to house, डायरेक्शन बताना इनकन्वीनियंट होता है. तो उस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, हम एक डायरेक्शन को फिक्स करते हैं. दैट द डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम स्कूल टू हाउस इज फिक्स्ड एंड वी टेक इट एज पॉजिटिव. ओके, so if you are going in this direction, it will be 5 kilometer. If you are coming back, then it will be minus 5 kilometer. So in this case, if you are coming back, if you are coming in opposite direction, it will be minus 5 kilometer.